The things I've experienced at CHAP is a lot of exciting, fun arts and crafts. One time I came home with a gingerbread house. It was detailed, but just like covered in art.
Mia is an artist in that she knows what she wants to do. She goes for it, she has a plan, and she just lets her creativity take her. She loves getting messy, which is another great thing about CHAP, is that the kids can get as messy as they want.
Anything with art is possible at CHAP. You can do anything you want, and it's just one of the best places on earth.
We met CHAP through Shriners. You guys had an event. Mia does recreational therapy with Shriners, so we went to our first event. We got there and went, wow, this is cool.
When I go into CHAP, I just feel like I can do anything that I want with art. I can just go at it. I could even spill paint everywhere. It didn't matter if I got a huge mess.
At CHAP, children are known for their ingenuity and creativity and never for their diagnosis or disability. CHAP's three main programs are the in-hospital programs, the community outreach programs, and our art clubs. Every summer, CHAP opens up our studio to the general community and children with medical issues in our summer art workshops programs and our open studios.
I love how CHAP includes everybody and meets them where they're at. I love that they can just show up and be accommodated and be creative.
CHAP can adapt to people and how they can do things and how they want to do things. It makes me feel comfortable.
The art workshops are like summer camps where children can come and do all the art they want and just enjoy getting to know each other.
We have met really wonderful families and other kids through CHAP.
I have met a lot of friends there, and just recently at summer camp I met some really great friends.
You could be going through really hard times, but you stop, you do art together, and there's something about it.
Our goal for 2020 is to continue bringing healing art experiences throughout Portland and beyond, and to provide over 11,000 healing art experiences. CHAP is able to do all that we do each year because of over 700 dedicated volunteers, hardworking board of directors, and our many community partners, and we'd like to thank each and every one of you.
I would like to say to the people who financially support CHAP that we are so thankful. The kind of art program that CHAP runs is so amazing and provides so much opportunity. We wouldn't be able to afford it normally, and being able to have that access for Mia is really valuable to us.
Most people that are coming to CHAP have a huge amount going on that nobody sees. And so thank you for donating to make this possible for all of the families like us that it has touched.
I'd like to say thank you so much for making it possible, and that I wouldn't be where I'm at with art if it wasn't for CHAP and those supporters.